In this video, I want to show you a secret way to target on Facebook. This is important because Facebook is a bidding platform. So if you sell shoes and I sell shoes and we run campaigns, you go to Facebook and then you search by interest using shoes, and I equally go to Facebook, I search by interest using shoes. It means that me and you, we are bidding on that same interest. So whoever has the more money is going to get the more eyeballs. And what this means for you as an advertiser is that you pay more to reach these people. All right, you pay more to reach your target audience, and you don't really want that because there are some hidden very good audiences that you can find and equally sell to them without having to compete or pay a lot of money for your adverts. So in this video, I want to show you the secret way to use one tool to find hidden interest, high quality hidden interest for your Facebook ads. Let me go and show you this website. So this website is called Engine Scout, and I've been using this website for some time now. This is a digital marketing firm or something like that, but we just want to use their free tool, and they give us this free tool that is called Facebook Ad Interest Hunter. I'll put a link to this website in the description of this video so it will be easy for you to find. So this is the tool that we need, and if you come right here, you can see it says discover hidden Facebook audiences you didn't know existed. This is because when you target on Facebook, Facebook gives you a limited number of interests because these are the high bidding interests. So again, they want you to spend more money so that Facebook can make more money. And there's nothing wrong with this, but you as the marketer, as the seller, you want to protect your own interest by finding the audience that will cost you less, but you get higher results. So now, the way to use this tool is very, very simple. As you can see, say here, it's 100% free. It reduces your Facebook ad spend, which is the sole aim of making this video, because I want you to reduce your Facebook ad spend so you can target Facebook audience nobody knows about, and you can instantly get unfair advantage over your competitors. Again, this is the goal for most marketers, especially online. So how do you use this tool? Now, all you have to do is come right here and then you search. But before you search, you can see that it has different languages that you can switch to. So if English is not your first language, or you just prefer to use another language, you can select the language you want right here. I'm going to use English. So if I come here and then I type, let me just search for cake. This can be whatever you sell. It can be basically anything at all. And then you hit search. So when you hit search, you have to scroll down and then you can see different interests that it has shown you. So it shows you this interest, shows you the audience size, and then the topic, the industry where this audience will fall in, because some of these audiences, they are not going to tally with what you want. So this topic is actually important and you can toggle it as you want. So now we want to look at the different cakes, different interests that concerns cake. All right. And some of these interests you will not find on Facebook, because Facebook just shows you like 20 interests, and these 20 interests, they are usually very competitive, and you'll be spending a lot of money bidding to get in front of them. So if you come right here, you can just click on this and it's going to show you either by the lower size, or you can click again and it shows you by the higher audience size. So from here we can see that we have cake, which is very generic. You can see the audience size, you can see the audience size upper bound, you can see the category or the topic, it falls under food and drinks. And if you scroll, you are going to see even more audience that you can use. So this is only in one page, and you can basically scroll through and see different audience that you wouldn't find on Facebook. So let's try something else and say, let's say we want to sell shoes, and then you write shoes. Again, you hit on search, and then you find even more interest about shoes. And You can scroll and scroll, and some of these things you are not going to find on Facebook. But if you copy these interests and take them to Facebook, they will appear because Facebook has hidden this interest from you. So you can scroll down and you can select the ones you like, or you can come here and download them as a CSV file and go through it. So this is how you can use this simple tool to find very quality but hidden interest in Facebook. And once you have this kind of interest, you are going to be spending less because a lot of persons don't know about this interest. So you are basically having a monopoly targeting a particular audience that you want, and Facebook has no option but to charge you less for this, since there are no biddings right on that interest. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching. My name is Good Noel. Please like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.